What if Toyota took everything they've learned from reliability, innovation, and smart design and turned it into a luxury motorhome that could change how we travel forever? Stick around, because the 2026 Toyota Motorhome might just be the most exciting RV you'll see this year. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome represents a bold new chapter for one of the world's most trusted automotive brands. Blending Toyota's legendary dependability with comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology. Right from the outside, this motorhome makes a striking impression that balances rugged capability with refined design. The exterior features smooth, aerodynamic lines that help reduce drag while giving the vehicle a modern and dynamic silhouette. LED matrix headlights and taillights wrap around the front and rear, providing excellent visibility and a sleek visual signature both day and night. Large alloy wheels with all-terrain tires enhance its ready-for-adventure stance, while strategically placed storage compartments and reinforced bumpers offer practicality without sacrificing aesthetics. A subtle roof rack and optional solar panel array hint at the motorhome's potential for extended off-grid exploration. Step inside and you're greeted by a thoughtfully laid out interior where every inch is optimized for comfort and utility. Toyota's designers have managed to fit a tiny lounge, compact kitchen, cozy bedroom, and efficient washroom into the 2026 motorhome without making the space feel cramped. The lounge area doubles as a dining and relaxation spot with smart seating that flexes between comfortable couches and a dining bench. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, and high-quality materials paired with warm tones create an inviting, homey atmosphere. Toyota's attention to detail is evident in every seam and surface, from the soft-touch upholstery to the carefully integrated LED lighting that sets the right mood whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or a campground. The compact kitchen is remarkably capable for its size. It includes an induction cooktop, deep sink with cover, compact refrigerator, and cleverly hidden storage for cookware and essentials. Despite its tiny footprint, this kitchen feels highly functional and well thought out, allowing you to prepare meals on par with what you'd expect in many small apartments. Just beyond the kitchen and lounge lies the tiny yet comfortable bedroom. Designed for restful sleep on the road, it features a memory foam mattress, built-in shelving, and blackout curtains for privacy and darkness. Adjacent to the bedroom is a cleverly designed washroom, complete with a space-efficient wet room that combines a shower, low-flow toilet, and small vanity with integrated storage. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome typically comes with Toyota's latest engine technologies, offering both traditional internal combustion and hybrid options depending on the market. The hybrid powertrain promises a balance of power and efficiency that is ideal for long-distance travel. With the hybrid setup, the motorhome delivers respectable horsepower and torque while maximizing fuel economy, a valuable trait for long road trips and frequent stops. Some markets may even offer advanced battery options that extend electric-only range, leaning into Toyota's broader push toward electrified mobility. The result is a vehicle that is both capable on highways and thoughtful about energy use. Technology and safety play central roles in the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Standard features include a large infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, intuitive climate controls, and smart storage solutions integrated throughout the cabin. On the safety front, Toyota equips the motorhome with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering such a sizable vehicle easier and safer. These advanced driver assistance systems give peace of mind to both novice RVers and seasoned travelers alike. When it comes to market availability, Toyota plans to release the 2026 Motorhome in key regions including Japan, North America, Australia, and select international markets. Deliveries are expected to begin in late 2025, with Toyota dealerships and specialty RV outlets handling orders. Buyers can choose from different trim levels and option packages tailored to specific needs, whether that's off-grid adventure capability, enhanced comfort features, or premium technology suites for urban and travel-focused buyers. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota Motorhome reflects its premium design and features. Entry-level models are anticipated to start in the mid-$90,000 to $110,000 range, while fully equipped luxury versions with advanced hybrid powertrains and top-tier amenities could exceed $130,000, depending on configuration and optional features. While this positions the Toyota Motorhome toward the upper end of the midsize RV market, its combination of Toyota reliability, thoughtful design, and modern tech makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking to elevate their travel lifestyle. Thanks for watching AutoMotor Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on where you take your motorhome first. We'll catch you on the next adventure.